Hello and welcome to the course on regular expressions. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the concept of regular expressions, or regex as it is commonly known. Once you're familiar with the concept, we can move on to see how we can comfortably make use of it in our work in TeXFolio. So to start with, you need to understand what is a regular expression. Simply put, it is an expression that allows us to search for specific patterns of text in our code. In other words, it's a sequence of characters that make up the search pattern that describes the text you're searching for. To make this a bit more clear, let us consider a simple example. Consider the simple block of text that is given here. Now assume that you need to search in this text for specific patterns. This is where regular expressions come into play. For instance, using a regex \s as your search string will identify for you all the single spaces in your text. This is what is indicated here. Similarly, if you need to find all instances in your text where a single uppercase alphabet has been used, you just have to search using the regex A-Z within square brackets. This search pattern will match with all the single uppercase alphabets in your text. Another example would be if you want to identify all the single digits used in your text. By using the regex \D for your search, as you can see here, all the places in the text where a single digit has been used will be matched. In this way, a regular expression can be created for any pattern of text, and these are but a few of the cases which has been defined for our use in TeXFolio.